Hello, my friends. We have an exciting video to share with you today because all three of these items are so adorable. I don't know what to do. And I'm looking at them going, well, which one do I show them first? Because I don't know what to do. So I'm just going to jump in. This one was on top. I'm going to do it first. It is a pool floaty. Now, hello, is it the cutest thing you ever saw in your life? Now, let me just show you what it looks like in real life because it's so cute. Now, the cool thing about this is I was able to fit also the words pool time in there. And I don't even know, some of my design team got it. I don't think all of my design team even got the words pool time because I kind of snuck them in at the last minute. But look how cute it is. Don't you just love it? How fun. Perfect for summer, perfect for a pool party, even a beach party, just something different, right? And perfect for banners as well. Love it, love it, love it. Now, let's look at my next item. I have so many fun things to show you. This is, okay, I'm just gonna show it to you and I want you to look at the eyes first. Look at that bookworm. Is he the cutest bookworm ever? Now he does come with that cute little book also, so you have that option. And let me just show you what he looks like because he's so sweet. Now he would also be perfect, so he is a fold-it. He is a fold-it, my friends. But I don't want you to forget, they're also perfect to go on cards as well. So if you're like, oh, I don't know if I want a squiggly card, which is totally cute, you could also put it on a 5x7 or an A2 card base. Oh, this is with our big apple, which is perfect. Apple fold it. Look how cute that is. I absolutely love that. Believe in yourself. Everybody's starting to go back to school. First of all, I cannot believe everybody's going back to school already. It's like, how is this happening? So get ready. You want to make a whole bunch of cards before they get back to school so you can send them to all the fun kids that are in your lives or adults, right? Also, this one, teachers out there, this is the perfect name plate for all of those desks in your classroom. Are you ready for this? This is a pencil fold-it slimline. Excuse me. Adorbs, right? Look at how fun this is. Add dies on there, adding the kid's name, or let the kid write their name on it. You could put this just like that on their desk as their name plate, or you could have it laying on their desk as a name plate. But don't stop there, my friends. Perfect banner for a back to school or anyone going back to school. Perfect card to say, hey, congratulations, you're on your way back to school. Or for the teachers in your life, send them a cute little pencil saying, good luck going back to school. Now, I have tons of samples to show you. Let's jump in and look at the pool floaty first, and then we're gonna move into the school items. So here we have the pool floaty with cute little Katie, the peep. We love Katie. Oh, but not to be outdone by Miller. So here is Miller. We're seeing a lot of those little peeps coming back this month. Love them. I want you to go get them. They're in your stash. Go get them out. Let's use them some more. Here we go. On this pool floaty is Katie, and this one is Miller, because Miller always used to have crazy hair when he was little. Look how cute. Or we could use one of our parade animals ready for the beach. Now, this is also including the parade buddies, the little mouse, the cloud A2 tribe background die, and hermit crab sayings. Across the miles, across the sea, thinking of you wherever you may be. Cute. Here we go. Oh, and a Steffi doll. So what number Steffi doll is this? This is Steffi doll number 4 and number 2 in here. We also have our pool floaty in there. We have our fun little ocean down there. Look at that, pool time, fun in the sun. Oh my goodness, here's a gorgeous one. Look at how beautiful that is. Pool time, ready to go. Now, that was our pool floaty. Let's move on and look at our little bookworm. Michelle just knocks my socks off every single time with all of these stuffies. I don't want you to think for even half a second these go to waste. My twins love, and pretty soon Lila will, to play with these. We have a big bucket of them in their play area. They get them out and they play with each and every one of these. Now, also you guys, this kind of stuff is really coming into fashion. It is, I mean, it's like really becoming a thing. You go on Instagram, you can find people making little stuffies. I call them stuffies. I don't know what they call them on Instagram, but hello. Are you kidding? So cute. So dang cute. Michelle, you just knocked my socks off. Now let's look at all the other wormies because they're so fun. Look at this one with the cute little butterflies. Love it. Ooh, here's a very rainbow butterfly in all my favorite colors. I'm butterfly. Worm, bookworm, bookworm. Now, here's a cute one with, oh, okay, you guys, look at this one. I want you to see, this is perfect for your pattern paper scraps. Use those pattern paper scraps. Perfect. Now, those of you that sell cards as well, so I've kind of given you guys the heads up about selling your cards on your Facebook pages. If you use our products, you're allowed to do that. Our angel policy is fully allows you to do anything like that, so you can make money so you can buy more stuff, right? Imagine making some of these and some of the pencil cards to sell to moms or grandmas that don't make cards. Yes, I can't believe it. There's people out there that don't make cards. They will buy them and fill them out and send them to people they love. So that's another thing you need to think about. Now, Yvette did this. This is so dang cute. She laminated these. If you don't have a laminator, you can go to Stephanie's Favorite at the top of Stephanie's Favorites at the top of my website. Click on that. My laminator, I believe that I recommend, is under Office Products. Go check it out. And here we go. And that's an affiliate link, just so you know. So I think I make 25 cents if you buy that item, just so you know. Now, here we go. Look at these cute little guys. They are laminated. Yeah, they're bookmarks. How could you get more appropriate than having a cute little bookworm bookmark? So adorable. Now, let's really quickly look at our pencils. Now, these are Slimlines. That means they fit in a standard business size envelope. Look how cute that is. Are you ready? We're just going to go through these. Oh, this one's, oh, look at that. It's a full scene. I love it. We got our little church on there. You could also make it a school. Best teacher ever. ABC, it takes a big heart to shape little minds. Oh my goodness. Imagine giving that to a teacher. Oh, crazy. Oh, here's another one. Friend. Love it. Look how pretty it is. I had so much fun designing this one. If I had a flower for every time you made me smile, I would have a garden to walk in forever. Forever. That's the basket to stamp. I think that's the basket to stamp set. Here we go. Back to school. Back to school. Here's another one. Just a note to say. And then you can write your message on the inside. Absolutely love it. Club members, come on. You know the deal. You've been around. You know 15 to 20% off the entire website every single day, every single item, every single order. Does that include Totally Tiffany items? Yes. Does that include die cut machines? Yes. Does that include adhesive? Yes. Cardstock? Yes. Stamps, inks, dies, anything on my website. 15 to 20% off every single day, every single time you order, every single item. Yes, it's true. As long as you're a club member, you get that 15 to 20% off. It's like a sale every single day. You don't have to wait for a sale. But the best thing also is the first 24 hours, these are on our website, they're on flash sale. So it's not our low price. It's not our everyday low price. It's a flash sale price. Then you get your club discount. I know, you guys, it's amazing. I designed a company and I designed a club around what I would want to be a part of if I was the club member. And that's why we have so many bonuses. We have so many freebies. You get an anniversary gift certificate if you've been in the club a full year. You get freebies every couple months. You get a club discount on our website every single day, every single item, every single order. This is a club I would be in. So that's why I designed it this way, because I figure if I would want to be in it, maybe you would want to be in it too. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch that video, because you know what? I have a feeling you're going to fall in love. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.